Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into one of the essential aspects of trading trend indicators. These little tools can really help us understand which way the market is heading, making it much easier to decide when to buy or sell. So let's start with the basics. Trend indicators are like the compass of trading. They give us a sense of direction in the market, which is super important, especially when we're trading on shorter time frames, like 1 to 15 minutes. The indicator we're focusing on today is called the G-channel trend detection. To add it to your charts, just head over to TradingView. Open any time frame between 1 to 15 minutes for any pair you're interested in, and then navigate to the Indicators tab and type in G-channel trend detection. Written by Jagged Soft. Now let's tweak some settings to make it more user-friendly. Click on the gear icon, head to the Input tab, and change the length from 100 to 25. Then jump over to the Style tab and adjust the line thickness and color to make it clearer on your chart. Perfect. Now let's talk about how to interpret this indicator. Essentially, if the market breaks through the lower bound of the channel, we consider it bearish. Conversely, if it breaks upwards, we see it as bullish. But wait, we're not stopping there. We're also going to add another indicator to our toolkit, the Premier RSI oscillator. Now let's adjust some settings here too. Click on the gear icon, head to the Style tab to make it easier on the eyes. Then move to the Input tab and tweak the RSI and stochastic lengths to make it more or less sensitive to market movements. All right, now that our indicators are all set up, let's see how they work together. When the Premier stochastic line is above the zero line and the Premier histogram area is green, it's a signal to consider a buy trade. On the flip side, if the line is below zero and the histogram is red, it's time to consider selling. Let's take a look at an example. When both indicators align, like when the G-channel trend detection gives a buy signal and the Premier stochastic indicators show green, it's a good opportunity to enter a buy trade. And vice versa for selling. But hey, learning through examples is always the best way, right? So let's check out a couple of test trades on the euro against the US dollar chart. And remember, whether you win or lose in a trade, it's all part of the game. But of course, always do your own research and never take anything in this video as financial advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.